Greetings, teacher. I hope you are pretty good. So let's start my presentation of my last activity, my new project speaking English does work level 5. At the end of the year, in my first slide I said, if I save money during this year, I will be able to go abroad at the end of the year. Next, if I want to travel abroad, I must have a passport. At the end of the year, if I go abroad, I will go to United Arab Emirates. If I go to United Arab Emirates, I will enjoy the experience at Ferrari World. This is a funny, attractive park open to the all kind of audience. On my last slide, if I travel on December, I will go to travel to Abu Dhabi to enjoy the last race of the F1 season 2025. That's it. Thank you, teacher.